Good morning, friends. Let us do this problem. Here, there is an apartment. There are eight persons, and they belong to eight different streams of engineering. Right. We have to map the floors of this apartment to these eight people and to their eight engineerings. Okay. Let's try to solve this. Eight people are the D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K on different floors of the building. The lowermost is numbered 1 and the topmost floor is numbered 8. So the building is something like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 from the bottom. There are different streams chemical, instrumentation, software, aeronautical 4, and mechanical, electrical, automobile, civil, another 4, 8. The one who lives on the fourth floor is specialized in mechanical engineering. Very good. So we got our first clue. This fourth one, this guy is mechanical. Sorry, something wrong. I'll type it. This guy is mechanical. Right. Uh, the one we have used the condition number 2. Condition number 2 we have derived who is mechanical. Right. Next. D lives on odd number floor but above 3. That means D can be 5, D can be 7. Right. D can be 5, we don't know. D can be here, D can be here. Right. As per condition number 3. D can be 5, D can be 7. We don't know. Right. The number of persons between D and electrical engineering person is same as number of persons between D and I. Okay, so right now where is electrical engineer we don't know, where is I we don't know. So let's park this. The one who is specialization in instrumentation lives on the lowermost floor. Very good. So this guy is instrumentation. This guy is instrumentation. So we have used the condition number 5, right? Condition number 5 we have used to say who is on the lowermost floor. We have used two conditions so far. K lives on an even numbered floor and is specialized in automobile. K is on even number 4. What does that mean? K can be 2, 6, 8. And is specialized in uh, automobile 2, 6, 8. Right? We don't know. There are two floors between E and H, and E lives about a H. E is specialized in aeronautical engineering, and J, there are two floors between E and H. E live above H. So that means E will be somewhere here. 1, 2, H will be somewhere here, and E is specialized in aeronautical, and J lives above the one who is specialized in specialized in aeronautical. We are reading 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 all put together. The structure would be something like this, right? E is two spaces above H, and E is aeronautical, and J is above E. So the structure between of 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, if we read together, it will be something like this. The number of floors between the one who is specialized in aeronautical and mechanical engineering is 2. Right. If this guy is mechanical, aeronautical guy has to be between mechanical and aeronautical, there has to be two places. Right. This cannot be aeronautical because this is already instrumentation. Right, this is already instrumentation. So mechanical, the guy should be two steps away from this aeronautical guy should be two steps away from mechanical. There should be two places between aeronautical and mechanical. Right, if this is mechanical, either this or the seventh position is available for aeronautical. Because first position is already taken, this becomes aeronautical. This becomes aeronautical, and we just discussed if this becomes aeronautical, this will naturally become E, and if this becomes E, as per this structure, this becomes J, this becomes J, and this becomes H. This becomes H. So, which are the conditions that we have used? We have used 7, 8. So, first we have used 8 and 10. We have used 8 and 10. E is specialized in aeronautical engineering. So, we have used 10 first, right? We have used 10 to derive. Because between who, especially aeronautical and mechanical engineering, is 2. 10 to derive the position of aeronautical. Right. Then we have used 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9 to derive the position of J, the position of E, and the position of H. Right. With this, we have derived where is H and where is aeronautical and where is J. We use 7, 8, 9, 10 also. Right. Then let's look at the next one. The one who is specialized in civil engineering lives on an odd number floor below electrical engineering. So now, who is specialized in civil engineering? He lives on an odd number floor. Odd number floor below electrical engineering. Below electrical engineering, we don't know, but odd number floors are 5 and 3 because one is already taken. Civil engineering is living either in 3. Okay, but we don't know where is that. Let's continue. The number of floors below the one who is specialized in chemical engineering and J is 4. Very good. J is this. Then chemical engineering has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. This has to be chemical engineering. Right. This has to be chemical because there should be 4 floors between J, J and chemical engineering. So this has to be chemical. Now let's look at the odd one again. The 11th one again. The one who is specialized in civil engineering lives on odd number floor below electrical engineering. Odd number floor, there is only one. There is only one, right? Because 7 is already taken, 3 is taken, 1 is taken. So that means, as per the condition number 11, the one who is specialized in civil engineering lives on odd number floor. This must be civil, right? Now, now let's look at this condition number 3 again. D lives on odd number floor, but above third floor. That means D is not 1, D is not 3. D has to be 5 or D has to be 7, right? Now 7 is already taken by E, so it becomes 5 has to become D. Right. So 7 is already taken by E. So D has to be 5 only. D has to be above 3. So this is already gone. Right. So this is the condition. Now, what are the other conditions? The one who is specialized in aeronautical lives on odd number floor that we have already figured out. This condition also we don't need. The 13th condition because this guy this guy is supposed to be E and he's already on 7. We have figured out without this condition also. The number of floors between the one who is specialized in civil and the floor on which F lives is same as the number of floors between F and G. Very good. So now if you see what are the various options for F? What are the various options for F? F cannot be 8 because 8 is already J. F cannot be 7. F can be 6, 3, 2, 1. F can be what all? F can be 1, 2, 3, and 6. F various options are. Right. F can be 1, 2, 3, and 6 because the fourth one is H, fifth one is D, seventh one is E, eighth one is G, eighth one is J. Right? F has got only 3 options. Now, what he is saying, number of floors between who is specialized in civil on the floor on which F lives is the same as number of floor between F and G. The number of floors who is specialized in civil, specialized is D. The distance between D and F should be equal to distance between F and G. So distance between D and F should be equal to distance between F and G. Right. Let's take this. If the let's take F has got 1, 2, 3, and 6 options, right? Let's say F takes the option number 1. Distance between D and F. D and F is 3 spaces in between. There is nothing below F. So then G has to take again this space. This place. Right? Distance between F and G, D and F is equal to distance between F and G. Right? If F takes this, if F takes this, if F takes this, then G has to take this. Right? Because D and F, the distance should be equal to F and G. There is nothing below F. So naturally G has to take only this. Right? This is not possible because this is already taken by D. So this is not possible. F first position is not possible. So this is eliminated. F second position. If F takes this again, F takes this, then again G again has to take this only because there is nothing below F. Right. So because then we need to have 2 slots between F and G. So G again has to take this, which is not possible. This is already taken by D. So second slot is also gone. Right. Now let's take the third slot. If F takes this, if F takes this, between F and D, there is one slot, so G can take this. This is possible, right? This is possible because so G cannot take this because D is already taken, but this kind of position is all three is possible. Let's look at the sixth position. What is the sixth position? This is F. Let's take F takes this position. So D and F are immediate next to each other. So then G has to either sit here or sit here. But both of these, this one is occupied by E, this one is occupied by D. So this is not possible. So F sixth position is also not possible, right? F the only position that is available is 3. So if F has to take this 3, F has to take 3, and if F takes 3, obviously G will take 1, right? This is as per condition number 14, right? Condition number 14. I'm erasing this. Some nickname we have used. As per condition number 14, we have figured out places for and F and G. So now I lives below the floor on which D lives. I lives below the floor. So that means there is no other slot for I. I has to be this only, right? I has to be this because below the floor, everything else is taken. Right? We have used condition number 15 also. Condition number 15 to give I. Okay. Let's relook at the conditions again. There is one more condition which is K lives on an even number floor and is specialized in automobile. Right? K lives on even number floor. Even number floor, how many are there? So 2 is already taken by I. So K cannot be I now. K cannot take to second floor. K has to take either sixth floor or eighth floor. Eighth cannot take also because J has already taken. So K has to take sixth floor only because second and eighth is already taken by I and J. Right. K lives on even number floor and is specialized in automobile. So auto will become K. Right. Then there's only one more left, which is between I and J. What exactly is this? Right. Here somewhere it is written. Let's look at these conditions again. Second condition we have used mechanical engineering and the one who is specialized in civil engineering lives on odd number floor below electrical engineering. Who's civil engineering? Civil engineering is D. D is below electrical engineering. That means this cannot be electrical engineering. This has to be electrical engineering. Right. We still did not figure out where is electrical engineering sitting. As per condition number 11. Now we are using condition number 11 to find out where is electrical engineering. Right. As per this guy has to be electrical engineering, not I. Electrical engineering, and that not only means this guy will become software because software is the only thing that was left. Right. So number of persons between D and electrical engineering is same as number of persons between D and I. This we had tried to use this between D and electrical engineering. There are two slots in between. Between D and I, there are also two slots. But earlier we didn't know whether this guy I can be the same electrical engineering guy. Right. I can be the same. Either this is electrical or this is electrical. We don't know. Right. Now here it is given this guy, the one who is specialized in civil engineering, that means D, he is living in an odd number and below electrical engineering. That means this cannot be electrical engineering, it has to be this. Right. So this is the entire structure that we have discussed, that we have derived. Let's look at the questions. How many persons live between the person who is specialized in chemical engineering and the one who is specialized in electrical engineering? Chemical and electrical. How many people are there? One, two, three, four. Right? Chemical and electrical, there are four people. Four is the answer. J is specialized in which of the following stream? J is specialized in what? He is specialized in electrical. Right? Electrical is the correct answer. Which of the following does not belong to that group? J, K, H, I, G. G is an odd number. J, K. J is even number, K is even number, H is even number, I is even number, G is odd number, right? So G is the correct answer. Does not belong to the group. D lives in which floor? D lives in which floor? D lives in fifth floor. Right. D. G is related to mechanical engineering in the engineering in the same way as F is related to automobile engineering. G mechanical and F automobile. G mechanical, F G and mechanical. There are two spots, two floors in difference, right? G and mechanical. There are two floors. F and automobile. There are again two floors difference, right? Then H, then it should become aeronautical engineering. H, two floors away from H, which is aeronautical engineering, which is E, right? Then the answer should be aeronautical engineering, which is E, right? So this is an easy problem only, not very difficult. Only thing is, we have to carefully read all the conditions and scan through the conditions wherever it is applicable and try to use conditions where and when those are required. I think only tricky conditions that is given here is condition number 14. Rest all are plain only. Right, hope you understood this. If any doubts, please free to message and we'll pick this again. Thank you guys. Bye bye.